Hello viewers, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. From 2 months, I have been uploading many educational videos on my Innovate Teaching Channel. I hope you might have seen them. If not, please watch them with the links below in the description. I think you might have liked all my videos, right? Now the matter is, I have started online tuitions for Andhra Pradesh State Syllabus School students of class 6th, class 7th, class 8th and class 9th students for physical science subjects, and also some online courses for any individual like child psychology and early childhood education. To enroll in my tuitions, you have to search ARC Skill in Google. See this, Home ARC Skill. Click on it, and if you click the courses, the pop-up will show, and the first option is School. Visit the school courses. If you go down to Enroll My Tuitions, click on 3, then you get Physical Science Class 7, Class 6, Class 9. If you click on it, then you get the brief details like about my tuition, about my tuition objective, about my course, about to attend, about the prerequisites, and also the fee details, the duration of the tuition, the batch size, and availability of certificate and the language to teach. If you want any details about fee and slot durations or syllabus coverage, feel free to contact me. I have provided the mobile number in the below description. To enroll in my special courses, click on the courses, and when the pop-up appears, visit the teaching and academics and go to online education. See, this is early childhood education, a special course conducted by me. It gives the details about the course, about the objective of the course, about the course content, about the attend, and about the prerequisites. If you visit Teaching and Academics Online Education, there you see Child Development and Pedagogy. If you click on it, you can view my course, about the objective, course content, why to attend, and the prerequisites. And the fee details and duration slots are given here. All my online tuitions and online courses are at reasonable rates preferred by all individuals. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. I am signing off. Stay tuned to Innovate Teaching Channel.